this is Farrah Gasson with Freedom Flipping Academy. Just wanted to give you a minute tutorial of the things that we do to save money on our rehabs. It's seamless and it can save you thousands of dollars. For instance, here we have this tub and this surround towel. It's in really good shape. It's not cracked. It does not need to be replaced. So there's no point in removing it, digging it out, and having to replace the tub, which is going to be expensive. The surround towel, buying new tile, you could spend at least $5,000–$6,000 on that. Whereas us, what we do is we have a wonderful gentleman who epoxies and reglazes for us. We reglaze the tub, just basically resurface it, bring it back to life to its original true form, basically a beautiful makeover. And then we also epoxy the tile, which also resurfaces it and makes it look brand new. So that generally costs about $595 with our guy, and you can find someone that'll do the same thing for you. So that'll save you $5,000–$6,000, and it doesn't hurt the value of the home. So it saves you money, around $5,500. You can do something else with that. So simple, easy. And then one more thing we do, we just replace the fixtures, a few $100s as well. You can buy the set for maybe $300–$400. So again, instead of spending $6,000, you're spending right under $1,000. That's including labor and material. So that's a fantastic tip for you guys. If you hate the way your tub looks, if you hate the surround towel, it's blue purple, just get someone to epoxy and reglaze it for you, and it will make it shine wonderfully. Please look for us in our next video and click on subscribe on the link below to get more videos and more updates on our 1-minute tip with Farrah Gaston from Freedom Flipping Academy. See you next time.